ka-Jay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Jay and ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay sino nga ba si IMG? So, kilala mo ba si IMG? Kung hindi pa, just keep on watching. So, IMG or International Marketing Group ay isa sa mga mabilis na lumalagong financial institution dito sa Pilipinas kung saan layunin ni IMG na makatulong sa maraming Pilipino sa pamamagitan ng pagturo ng financial literacy. So, pag sinabi natin financial literacy, it's all about money. So, kung paano natin i-manage ang pera natin, kung paano tayo maging debt-free, kung paano tayo matutong mag-ipon, kung paano tayo mag-invest, kung paano tayo mag-build business. But anyway, IMG is helping more and more Filipinos na ma-educate tayo. Kasi ang financial education naman ay hindi naman tinuturo sa school natin yan dati. So, yun, yung kanyang layunin ay, actually, ang layunin niya by this 2020 ay, maka-educate siya ng 1 million Filipinos. But luckily, we are more than 1 million na po. So, meron na siyang mission by 2025 na magkaroon ng 10 million Filipinos na may educate niya. So, yun po yung advocate namin na magawa namin yun soon and as soon as possible. So, kung interesado ka and you want to know about more IMG, just comment down below and you can message me. So, yun, and once again, this is Jayan Villaluna, and thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and subscribe on my channel, and you can also click the bell for notification para ma-update kayo sa mga bagong videos and vlogs na gagawin ko soon. See you on my next video. Bye! Salamat sa suporta! And kung nakatulong po to sa inyo, please don't forget to subscribe. I need your subscription. Bye! See you!